Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're painting our nails and talking, and this is currently the last video in my Vlogmas series, and I cannot believe it. We actually did it, and I have uploaded videos for 25 days. They were all like winter, Christmas, holiday inspired. And even my nail shows that you're watching right now, they are holiday inspired. So these are the colors that I would pick for holidays personally. And I love these like dark burgundy moments, reds and like blues, whites, like glitter during the holiday and winter time. And since today is a Christmas, for you who are celebrating, I just want to say Merry Christmas to all of you who celebrated on December 25th, and I want to wish you a blessed day. I hope you're having a great time with your family and friends, and that you're feeling overall peace and that you are feeling good. And I'm very grateful that you decided to watch this video and just spend this time with me, and I'm glad that you're here. I wanted to also say that don't worry guys, videos will not stop now that Vlogmas is over. I will still upload as regularly as possible, and I do want to upload maybe every day. I'm not sure if I will do it every day, but maybe like every 2 days we will have video like we had in past. And don't worry, I have all your ideas written down. So my winter nail care routine is coming, face reveal video is coming, and everything that you requested I have written down, plus some of my other ideas and also nail shows. It's such a great like way for us to connect on here and create our community and just, you know, talk. I love talking with you, and I love the fact that you like my videos. I get so many lovely comments from you guys, and really makes my day. So I want to know what you've been up to, what are your plans for 2019, because the end of the year is coming and we will soon get into new year. I really hope we can create some new good habits that we can like try and follow and create. I really wish for us all to make the new year better and just to like be happy, generally happy, and I think that is something that we all want. So I hope that we get it, and I would wish for health for every single person, just to be healthy, because when we are healthy we can do anything we want to, you know. And I will talk more about things like motivation and healthy habits in another video that I think that I will make for the end of the year. So I don't want to get too much into it right now, but I just wanted to say a little words of wisdom for you, just to stick with you during this like holiday time and Christmas. And I really hope you're having a great Christmas and that you feel blessed, and that you know in your heart that things will be okay. And always try to remember that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, always, no matter how dark it gets. Just keep on pushing and you will see the light, and it's true. I really hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Never let anyone dull your sparkle, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.